Dear Dinka learners, I welcome you back. Today, let us learn Dinka possessive pronouns. Dinka possessive pronouns. 1. Mine. In Dinka is Kidia. 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 Ours. In Dinka is Kida. 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 Ours. Kida. Yours. Yours. In Dinka is Kidu. 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 Is heirs. Is heirs. In Dinka is Kide. 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 Theirs. Theirs. In Dinka is Kiden. 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 Let us see some examples. This book is mine. In Dinka, ator kene e kidia. Ator kene e kidia. Ator kene e kidia. This is my friend. In Dinka, kene e madya. Kene e madya. Kene e madya. Madya mean my friend. That school is ours. That school is ours. In Dinka, panabun tui ikda. Panabun tui ikda. It is yours alone. It is yours alone. In Dinka, e kudu yitok. E kudu yitok. Or you can say e kudu yin irot. E kudu yin irot. E kudu yitok or e kudu yin irot. Yin irot mean you alone. This spoon is ours. In Dinka, tial kene ekede. Tial kene ekede. Tial, tial, tial. Tial mean spoon. This pot is theirs. This pot is theirs. In Dinka, toin kene ekiden. Toin kene ekiden. Toin kene ekiden. Pot mean toin. That is what it means, toin. Pot. We use it for cooking food or putting water on. This is mine. This is mine. In Dinka, kene ekidia. Kene ekidia. Like this is in Dinka is kene e. Kene e. Then mine in Dinka is kedia. Kedia. This is mine. Kene ekidia. Where is yours? Where is yours? That is question. Then in Dinka should be kedu ko. Kedu ko. Kedu ko or kedu tau tano. Kedu ko. My art. My heart in Dinka. Piondia. 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 My heart. This chair is yours. This chair is yours. You can translate this one to me. This chair is yours. Please translate it for me. Yenekan the end by William Majak Malekding. Ran Pyoj Tongyang or Tongyang, also known as Dinka. Follow for more videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of Dinka Learning Family. Nyali Kewek Kuyania. Bye bye. William Majak Malekding.